Hey guys, Andrew King here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make money online as a complete teenager. Now, this video is for everybody, whether you are a teenager, whether you are 40, 50, 60 years old. This video is for you, and I'm going to teach you on how to make money online. Now, what do you expect from this video? First, I'm going to show you on how to get this started and start making some passive income. And then I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that you need to follow. This is a step-by-step process in which that you will follow. And once you follow this process, you will be able to make money. Not only that, but also going to show you on how to do this in 10 minutes only and set it up on autopilot. Now, what are the requirements? You don't need a website, you don't need money, you don't need experience. All you have to do is follow this video step by step. Now, without further ado, let's get this video started. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's get right into today's video. So first, what you need to do is you need to go to this website called Clickbank. You need to go to clickbank.com. Just go to Google, type in Clickbank, or use the first link in the description. I leave all the links I mentioned in the video in description, so make sure you check the description. So what are we going to do in today's video? We're gonna promote other people's products to get commissions. So the first thing we need to do is go to the marketplace. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide. So follow this video until the end and you will learn how to make money. The next thing you need to do is select a category. Now you can select any category you want. I'm just gonna go with e-business and e-marketing because this is my niche. You can choose whatever category you want because this method will work on any category that you want. Now, the next thing we need to do is choose a really good high converting offer. What you need to do is go here where it says sort result by, and you're gonna select average rebill or average percentage per sale. So you're gonna sort them by higher to lower. So I'm gonna sort them by average rebill. So as you can see, this product called Traffic Travis has an average $337 per sale. So if we make a sale, we have a potential of making this type of money. You can imagine the opportunity here. Now, don't get scared. I know most of you don't know how to promote these products. So you can select whatever category you want by the average rebill. You can sort them by gravity. I personally prefer the popularity, and I'm gonna choose one of these popular products. For example, this one, Super Affiliate System by John Christiani. So all you have to do to get your links, why did I choose Clickbank? Because Clickbank gives you instantly their links. So all you have to do is click on promote. Now once you click on that, you're gonna select a landing page. Here you can select whatever you want. I'm just gonna go with the default one and I'm gonna click on generate. Now here is my affiliate link. So if people buy through my link, this link, I'm gonna get a commission which is $500. Now how do we promote this product? This is the most important part that most people get become they have this problem with, like they don't know how to promote products. This is the biggest problem that most people face. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna visit the affiliate page of this product where it says affiliate page. You're gonna click on this link right here. It's gonna take you to their affiliate page. What we're gonna be looking for is gonna be the webinar. Now, most of these high ticket offers, for example, this one is costs $997 and will make $500 if we made a sale. So it's really, really cool. Most of these have a webinar. So we're gonna scroll down until the bottom, hoping to find the webinar. So this is the webinar. As you can see, this webinar has over 1 hour and 31 minutes. So the affiliate product owner is gonna promote itself. This product, basically this product is gonna promote itself. How? Follow this video until the end and you'll know how I do this. So what you need to do is download this webinar. As you can see, this video has over 1 hour and 31 minutes. And if we scroll down a little bit, you'll see that this webinar has a 17% conversion rate. So if we send 100 targeted people to this webinar, we'll be able to make 17 sales, and from those 17 sales you'll make approximately over $6,000 or $7,000, which is really cool, guys. Now, how do we promote this? Like I said, you need to download this video. All you have to do is download this video. I have this Chrome extension installed. It's called IDM. You can search it up on Google and you can download it for free. Now, once you download this little icon will appear. All you have to do is click on download video on page. Then you'll select the quality. I recommend you select the highest quality you see right here. For example, I'm gonna download this with 1080p. Now, the next thing we need to do is going to be how to send traffic to this offer. Now, what you can do is you can go to your YouTube channel and upload this video. This is really important. And once you upload the video to your YouTube channel, you're gonna leave the link in the description. The link to your affiliate link to this product, you're gonna leave it in the description. The link that we just copied right here, which is this one, I'm gonna grab it real quick for you to see. So you're gonna highlight this and we're gonna right click and copy, or you can just click on this button right here and it will copy the link for you. So you're gonna upload it to YouTube and you're gonna put your link in the description. Now, how to send traffic to this offer? I have my good buddy Jono Armstrong. He does YouTube ads. Now, Jono does YouTube ads and he makes 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 per each video he makes. So as you can see, this video has over 7,900 views, and I'm sure that he made more than $2,000 from this video. So if we look up this video, as you can see, it's called Eclipse. So if we look up Eclipse review, this is actually his own product. He's promoting his own product. He's doing launch jacking. As you can see, most of the other affiliates have like 500 up to 1,000 views, but Jono here has over 7.8 thousand views. This guy also has 11,000 views because he's implementing the same method that Jono explains. Now, Jono has a course about this where he teaches you on how to make YouTube ads. 1 minute, I'm gonna open up the course and come back to you. As you can see, guys, I'm inside the members area of Eclipse. I'm gonna go inside the members area in a second. Right here, it's gonna open up. I'm gonna log in into my members area of Eclipse. This is only gonna take a second. As you can see, I'm inside the members area right here. So this is what you're gonna get if you decided to pick up Eclipse. Now, Eclipse is $12.95. So steal gurus, you can hijack the gurus traffic in 30 seconds. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be sending people to the YouTube video, and once the traffic, you can either send people to try. You can either send people to your own video. Like I said, you're gonna download the video right here, the webinar video. You're gonna download it and upload it to your YouTube channel, or you can use other people's videos and include your own affiliate link. That's why it says hijack the guru's traffic in 30 seconds. So Jono is gonna teach you on how to do or how to make YouTube ads using other people's YouTube videos. All you need is your own affiliate link. Now this is available for Clickbank. You can also use this on JVZoo and Warrior Plus, as well as Jono does. As you can see, this is a calendar for the upcoming launches for the upcoming products. So for example, we have here this one called Magnetize. I'm sure Jono is gonna make a video about this, and he's gonna include his own affiliate link. As you can see, you're gonna make a $13 per sale and 100% commission. So you're gonna make the full $13 on the front end page, and I'm sure you're gonna make 50% for the rest of the funnel. So this is really great method. If you want to pick up Eclipse, I have a couple of bonuses. I'm gonna leave a link down below for my bonus page. All you have to do is click the link down below and you will be able to access my bonus page. Now, once you click on that, you're gonna click on one of these yellow buttons. It's gonna take you to the Eclipse sales page. It's only gonna cost you $12.95, and you're gonna learn on how to hijack other people's traffic. So Jono is gonna teach you on how to hijack other people's traffic by doing YouTube ads. Now YouTube ads is very profitable. If we scroll down here, you'll see that Jono's friends are making a lot of money using this method. $160, $229, $320, $542 in single day. Really crazy, guys. So I'm gonna leave a link down below, like I said, to my bonus page. Don't purchase Eclipse unless you get it from my bonuses, because I'm gonna include all these bonuses for free if you purchase from my link. All you have to do is click the link down below, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these yellow buttons. Now my bonuses are gonna include a hack on advanced Eclipse strategies. So not only are you going to learn on how to promote YouTube ads, I'm gonna give you advanced strategies in addition to Eclipse. The second bonus is gonna be Eclipse hacks. I'm gonna show you on how to use Eclipse in other, or how to use Eclipse to promote different products and make a lot of money. Third bonus is gonna be Stealth. Now Stealth is gonna be another course by Jono Armstrong on how to do Gmail ads. So Gmail ads, in addition to YouTube ads, you're gonna make a lot of money. The fourth bonus is gonna be the Fuego Breakout. Now the Fuego Breakout is another course. It costs $13, but I'm giving it away for free. Now in this course, you will learn on how to do Bing ads. So I'm giving you the full package. If you purchase Eclipse from my link, I'm gonna give you all these. In the 5 bonus, these bonuses are all delivered to you free of charge if you purchase my link. Now once again, I told you, all you have to do is click the link down below, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these yellow buttons. It will take you to the sales page. All you have to do is click on this yellow button and purchase the product. Now my bonuses will be delivered to you instantly once you access the members area of Eclipse. As I said, you are getting the full package for $13. You are getting over $500 of bonuses delivered to you free of charge. I'm gonna give you advanced strategies, Eclipse hacks, and I'm gonna give you Stealth, which costs $13 as well. This one, Fuego Breakout, that's gonna teach you how to do Bing ads. It's all delivered to you for free if you click the link down below and come through to my bonus page. and click on this yellow button. It will take you to the Eclipse sales page. All you have to do is click on this yellow button and purchase. Now once you purchase, you're gonna get a full course right here. As you can see, this course is legit, and Jono is a 7-figure affiliate, so you're gonna learn a lot from him. As you can see, these videos, this one is 4 minutes long, this one is 6 minutes long. There is this one, it's 30 minutes, 8 minutes right here. Let's go down to the next one. This one has 33 minutes. This one over 27 minutes, and this one 13. So as you can see, you are gonna be learning a lot. So he's gonna teach you on how to promote these products using YouTube ads. All you have to do is include your own affiliate link, and you will be making a lot of money. Trust me guys, I know most of these marketers are making up to $1,000, $2,000 per day using this method, especially Jono. If we take a look at his channel, as you can see, he makes reviews of these products daily, and he sends these YouTube traffic 4.4 views, 4.4 thousand views, 4.5, 4.3, 4.7. As you can see, he sends a lot of traffic to his YouTube videos, and he's making money. He wouldn't be sending all this traffic if he wasn't gonna make money. So I'm telling you, you take action, you are gonna make money. This is a step-by-step process. You'll be able to implement this within 20 minutes. Now, once you become familiar with this, you'll be able to do this in 10 minutes. It's gonna be real easy. You're gonna be able to make money while you sleep, even if you are a teenager, even if you are 70 years old. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in description. And I'm sorry for my English, I'm lagging a bit, but I'm trying to learn. Please go with it, and I'll see you in the next video.